Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo, aka Dana, and today I'm gonna be painting some eggs to match my decor. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I got me a few dozen of these for $1.98. They're the craft eggs. But this is not for Easter. If you want them for Easter, you can paint them Easter colors. Mine is for my home because they're going to be a staple piece in my home because my home, I love chickens and stuff, and that's what I decorate with. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to get your egg, and I've got some chalk paint, and you're just going to paint the egg. Don't worry about streaks. Whoop, I just flopped that right around. Don't worry about streaks. Just get your egg painted. It will be 2 coats, but one of them will be a different style, a coat. Anyway, you just paint your egg. I paint half my egg, and then I take and lay it down. Then now those are not dry yet. Oh well, it's just paint. So on your, this one's got the first coat on it. So on your second coat, you're just going to dab the paint on there. Then you're just going to take your brush and blot it. Because if you look at a real egg, they have a porous shell. And this will give you the texture more like a real egg. And that puts your second coat of paint on there. But you just blot it up like that. I'll try to show you. Maybe the texture will show in the camera. I don't know. You'll see it's not just streaked. Whoa. Well, that ain't gonna work like that. And for what I do to keep my brush fresh from drying out, I just stick my brush in a Ziploc bag and close it up the best I can. That way air's not getting to my paint and drying it out. That way I can use my brush again. Okay, well, I want my eggs speckled, but I don't want the little bitty speckles that you see most people doing. I want my egg to look more like that. I've got a dog that thinks he's needing attention. He can wait. So I just take and dab. I'm using truffle. I take an old toothbrush that's worn out. I love the worn out toothbrushes because they give you a better texture. No, we'll do it on a brown one. And I just take and tap it because I don't want little bitty specks. I want it speckled. Anyway, I just tap it on there. I don't want none of my eggs to look just alike because in nature they don't look just alike. This one's a little softer bristle than I used on the other one. Anyway, you just take and dab it. Some of your speckles will be bigger than others. Some of them will look like lines. Anyway, this is what I've got so far. But I want it to look more realistic. And for instance, I'll show you, because I raise chickens. And this is one of my real eggs. I will eventually find a color that's that color. But anyway, we'll do a, sorry, that's my washer going off. I've got a blue one here. We'll see how it looks with the brown specks on it. Again, I'm just gonna tap it on there, no rhyme or reason. Because again, I don't want them to look just alike. And in some places I press harder just to get the mottled effect. Anyway, there's a blue egg with the brown truffle. My green one's not dry yet, so I can't really show you what the green would look like. So once I get that done, well darn. I thought I had everything. I'll be right back, y'all. On this brown one, it's dry. It's been dry a couple of days. I've got the clear wax because I want to protect the paint. I just got a paper towel. I don't do it like everybody else does it. I just take a paper towel, I give it a decent coat. Let me grab another paper towel. And then I just do this. And now my egg is protected. I'll show y'all in another video what I do with these eggs. I love you each and every one, and thank you very much for the new subscribers. I can't believe it. Sorry, sinuses are running. But anyway, I'll show you what we'll be doing, or what I'll be doing with these eggs in another video. So y'all take care. I love y'all. And remember, just like my friend Davita says, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Bye.